Did the game just crash? No, it's just that. Music turned off. That's weird. Well, let's continue. Let's see if it actually has a volume in this. Is it recording? Yep, it's recording. Alright. Come on, let's get these guys. What? I didn't know there was a pool. Oh my goodness. Let me put this in the middle of the screen. I think that'll look a little bit better. Ooh, smash them. Oh, don't go in the water. Oh. Man, every single time. I didn't even know they had water. That's the new update. I'm gonna crush everyone. Really a robot one. He ran into the water after. That's so funny. Obviously I was the last one. That's just weird. Why is all that noise? Let's turn that down. Alright, I can turn that back up now. There we go. The host is a guy with a lot of letters. Are you kidding me? This guy, it's like... I don't even know how to say it. Okay, so I'm playing Parking Simulator, not Demolition Derby. Okay. Alright, let's park somewhere. Let me figure out a place to park here. Ah, this looks like a nice place to park. Oh, this guy keeps hurting me. That's it, I'm getting mad now. I'm gonna kill everyone now. Oh, I missed. Missed that guy. Now I'm at low health now. Oh, shoot. Running out of turbo here. I need to get out of here. Ooh, flips for days. MLG swag. Ooh, I landed perfectly, too. Oh, shoot, I'm about to die. No. With a little bit of health left, I'm dead. Really, the host had to kill me. What a rude host. What a rude host, guys. Smash. And a big... Oh, dang it. Oh, shoot, that made me lose a lot of health. And you gotta get over here. Get over here. We're on turn. Don't hurt me, host. Oh, got wrecked by someone else. Got wrecked by a different bot. Get him. Ow. Come on, can't I kill someone? Get him. Gonna get that host. My goal right now is gonna get the host. Guys, can we reach 50 subscribers, please? Guys, this is what I was hoping for, because getting 50 subscribers. So please share this video and say that about the 50 subscribers. And please, guys, if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It would mean a lot. Okay, guys? Let's see here. Okay, I got second place. That's pretty good. It's horrible. I'm joking. It's pretty good. At least I'm not last place. I'm gonna rank up pretty easy. I already was able to get this real good. Yep. Volume. on. I got wrecked so quickly. Dang it, I got wrecked so quickly. Yeah, smash. My turn. Better reset. And ready, set. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you, host. Oh, I missed. The host is pretty quick here. Smash. Ooh, you see that? I'm gonna kill this host. No. Someone else killed him, really? Where's the respawn option? There it is. Flying through the sky and I'm gonna go. Nope, didn't kill him. I'm coming for you. Host. Oh, he wrecked me instead. Are you kidding me? Goodness. I'm gonna wreck you now. I'm gonna wreck you now, Sheriff. I'm gonna wreck you now, host. Well, you're asking. You asked for it. Get over here. And plus, guys, I would really appreciate it if you guys did sub. It would really mean a lot, okay? Oh, man, it's sharks in here. Alright. Okay, little guy. Probably the host left. Really, an ad? What's with the ads, bruh? Get it? I'm joking. That's probably just a bad joke right there. Yeah, you guys can hear me now. Hey! Get off my screen. I didn't click you. I probably did. Let's click on play online. Ah, this new map, eh? Let's go on to it. So if I touch the water, you die? So that's what it is? So you get wrecked if you touch the water? Yep. That's what happens. The guys just killed themselves when it ended. Why is it making so much noise? My ears! I'm joking. It doesn't even hurt my ears since I have the volume low. That was really annoying. They need to fix that glitch. Sorry, I was putting my case in. Let's get these guys. Oh, hold the flag to win. Okay. Hold the flag. Okay, okay, that guy has a flag. Let's go get him. Oh, that guy had to get in my way. Why does a robot have the flag? Really? Oh, hi, Roscoe. Hi, I'm on the bunk bed. Yeah, sorry, it's just my dog. My little puppy. Oh, I'm my little puppy, Oh, he's so cute. Yep, he's really adorable, guys. Real cute. Oh, I'm almost about to die now. How much turbo thrust do I have? Not enough to get him good. Take down Brayden, whatever your name is.
I have a feeling this is a handbag.
Be right back, guys. My dog just accidentally clicked the power button to the TV.
Hey, the kids are throwing us a wedding as an anniversary gift. That's right.
Can I have my brownie now?
Why does she get a real brownie? And she doesn't complain about the meeting.
What do you want? What do you want, Roscoe? You want to be on YouTube?
Hey, don't bark at me. Hey, you want to be on YouTube? Yeah, I'll run away then.
Hey, hi.
Yeah, you guys scared. Hey, don't bark at me. I didn't do anything to you. What do you want to play? You want to play? Well, he usually just does that. It's pretty funny what he does. He does that sometimes. It's pretty funny. I do play with him, but no. I played with him. Just today is I'm doing it, so let's do this. Okay, so is it hold the flag to win? No, I don't think so. I think you had just damaged players to win. I think after a couple rounds I might end this video, guys. Oh, you want to say hi to the camera? Say hi, Roscoe. Damage this guy good. Where's my volume? Yep, it's on. Yeah, I got that guy. Got Arthur there. Oh, I was wrecked by a bot. By a robot. NPC. Let me get that guy. Nope, couldn't get him. Let's try getting someone else here. Oh, I couldn't turn. Well, guys, this is a good place to wrap it up. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Let's try to reach 50 subscribers. See you guys later.